Hey, welcome back to Lydia's Cooking Hacks. We're going to be doing a step-by-step walkthrough on how to make dipped ginger snaps in a very simple way. It's one of those easy cookies that you can make. It's easy, it's healthy, and it's delicious. So stay back and watch the rest of the video. Without wasting your time, we're going to dive into the whole recipe. This cookie is delicious and also healthy. You can make it for your kids. So our first step here is to mix all the dry ingredients except the sugar. And once that is done, you keep it aside. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you if you're watching this video right now. And also I want to say thank you to all my viewers and subscribers. A big hug to all of you. I love you guys. So the next step is to mix all the wet ingredients, but we're going to start with the sugar and the oil. Mix until the sugar starts melting into the oil, and then you can add egg. After eggs, mix again, and then add molasses and mix again. Mix until everything is well incorporated. So one of my tips for this cookie recipe is when you're done mixing everything together, you can pop it inside your fridge and leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. It helps the dough to stick together, and it's easy to mold. Another tip that I use is to use my a small plastic spoon. It's easy to scoop because it's non-sticky. Another tip is you can use a flour to rub on your hand, on your palm and fingertips. That helps you to roll the cookie balls. With this recipe, you don't need a mixing machine. Your wooden spoon is enough for everything. So remember to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. When you're adding the flour, it's good to divide it into 3 places. Then you can add one and mix, and once it starts getting well incorporated, you add the second batch, and then you add the last one. I like to make this cookie most times, and once I'm done making that, you can keep them in the freezer, or you can if you have a cookie bags, you can save them in the cookie bag, or any container that is airtight. You can keep them there and add something like white bread to help soak up any kind of moist from it, and that will keep the cookies separated from each other. So once you're done molding, we're going to pop that into your preheated oven, 350 Fahrenheit, and then bake for 8 minutes or 10 minutes. It depends on your oven, but once the cookie starts getting brown under and around the cookies, then it is getting ready. But the more it stays in your oven, the more crispier it is. But do not let it get burnt. So once it's done, bring them out and cool them on your rack on the countertop, and that's it. It's set for everyone to enjoy in your house. Bye until we meet again. Enjoy your day.